Welcome to Tufts LCS Project Linus. This is a tutorial on how to make a knotted blanket. First, lay your blanket flat on the ground. You're going to see two different kinds of edges. One is going to have raw edges that look like this, and the other is going to have this finished hem. It's going to look like it's curled over a little bit, and you're going to see these tiny holes on both sides. Cut off this hem so that there are no tiny holes. It should be about 1 to 2 centimeters from the edge. You should be left with a scrap like this. Please save it and return it with your finished blanket. Now, cut out a square that is approximately 4 inches by 4 inches. You're going to do this to all 4 corners. It should look something like this. Next, cut the strips. They should be about 2 to 3 fingers wide. You're going to do this around the entire perimeter of the blanket. Every other strip, you want to flip it up. That way at the end, you will end up with an even number of strips going all the way around so you can tie them together. This is how your blanket should look after cutting. Now we're going to move on to tying. Take the 2 corner pieces and tie in a double knot. First one knot, and then the second knot. You're going to continue this double knot pattern all the way around the entire blanket until you've done the entire perimeter. Your blanket will appear a bit rounded. Gently pull it apart to flatten it out. Your finished blanket should look something like this. Fold the blanket and then you're done. Don't forget to bring back the scraps. Thank you and have fun making blankets.